Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 ninth chapter some applications of trigonometry. Already I have completed 9 sums. Now I will continue with the 10th sum. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. So width of the road is given as 80 meter and on both the sides two poles are there. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. From a point between them on the road. So on the road, the angles of elevation is given as one is 30 degree, the other one is 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Okay, so a road is there. So we'll draw drawing for this. So width of the road is given as 80 meter. On both the sides equal height poles are there. So this is a pole and this is also a pole. Both have the equal height. At some point on the ground, angle of elevation is formed. That is, they are seeing the top of the, from a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation on the top of the poles. So for the top of the poles, angles of elevation is given. One is given as 60 degree, the other one is given as 30 degree. So we'll take this as 60 degree and the other one as 30 degree at some point. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So we are asked to find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So the full distance is given as 80 meter. We are asked to find this point such that the distance between the angle of elevation point from the point where the angle elevation is formed, that we are asked to find out. These two things we are asked to find. So we will take this as A, B, C, D and E. Let AB and DE be the height of the equal poles and BD is the width of the road. C is the point from where angle of elevation is formed to the top of the poles. So we will take this point as X. No, if we take the full thing as X, one is 80 minus X, the other one is X. One we will take it as X, the other one is 80 minus X we will take. So we will take the distance of BC as X and CD as 80 minus X. Okay, so all these things we will write. Let the height of the poles be, let the height of the poles be AB and DE equal height. Since the height of the poles is equal, we will mention that as equal height. Okay, BD is the width of the road. BD is the width of the road. Distance between BC. Let distance between BC be X. Distance between BC be X and CD be 80 minus X. Okay, so now we triangle ABC. First we will take in triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC. So we know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB, we will keep it as it is, by BC we have taken it as X. So AB we got it as AB is equal to, that is root 3 AB. When we cross multiply, root 3 AB is equal to X. So AB is equal to X by root 3 meters. So we got the height of the pole in terms of X, this much meters. Now same way we will take in triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, tan 60 is equal to, tan 60 is equal to, here tan 60 is equal to DE by 80 minus X, that is DE by CD. So tan 60 we know that it is root 3 is equal to DE is the height of the pole by CD is 80 minus X. Okay, now we will simplify this. So we will get DE is equal to 80 minus X into root 3. 80 minus x. When we cross multiply this, we'll get 80 minus x root 3. That is DE. So previously we got length of AB as x by root 3 meters. Now we got DE as 80 minus x root 3. Here in the question itself it is given that it has equal height. So we will be equating AB is equal to DE. Since AB is equal to DE, that is given in the question, we will equate the values that we got for AB and DE. So x by root 3 is equal to 80 minus x into root 3. So now we will cross multiply this and find the value of x. So x is equal to 80 minus x into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So we will get x is equal to 8 3s are 24, 240 minus 3x. So when we take this 3x to that side, we will get 4x. 4x is equal to 240. So x value we got it as 240 by 4. We will get it as 60. X value is 60 meters. Okay, x is equal to 60 meter and 80 minus x, that is distance between BC. Distance between BC is equal to 60 meter and CD is equal to 80 minus 60 is 20 meter. Okay, so now we got the distance between the points. Now one more thing we are asked to find is height of the poles. So height of the pole is AB is equal to x by root 3. So if we find AB, that will be equal to DE also. So x value we got it as 60. So 60 by root 3, that is equal to, when we rationalize it, we will get 60 root 3 by 3. So when we simplify this, we will get 20 root 3. AB is equal to 20 root 3 meters. So this is the height of the pole. That is, height of the poles. Since both are equal, we can write height of the poles are 20 root 3 meters. Height of the pole, each height of the pole, AB is equal to 20 root 3 and DE is equal to height of the pole is 20 root 3 meter. Okay, understood? Sum is, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. So for this question, diagram is given in the question itself. So a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on another bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is given as 60 degree. From another 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point. So D is the point joining this point C. It is the distance between CD, that is 20 meter away from the point C. To the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Width of the canal we are asked to find. Okay, so let AB be the height of the tower. AB be the height of the tower. Height of the tower. AB be the height of the tower. Distance between CD. Distance between CD is equal to 20 meter. Okay, so now we will take, first we will take triangle. Two triangles are there, right angle triangles. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD we will take, in triangle ABD, tan 30 is equal to AB by BD. Tan 30 is equal to AB by BD. So tan 30 we know that it is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is the height of the tower by BD. BD we can write it as BC plus CD. Okay, BC plus CD. We can write it as BC plus CD. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by BC we don't know. So BC plus CD is given as 20 meter. Okay, So here itself we will take the distance between BC as, we will take it as x. Okay, so here we will substitute, instead of BC, we will take it as x. So let BC is equal to x. Okay, so x plus 20 is equal to root 3 into AB. So AB is the height of the tower. So AB is equal to x plus 20 by root 3. So AB is the height of the tower, that we got it in terms of x. Okay, same way tan 60 we will take. Tan 60 is for triangle, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, tan 60 we will find. So tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC. So tan 60, we know the value for tan 60 as root 3 is equal to AB by BC. BC is x. So AB is equal to x root 3. AB is equal to x root 3. So already we got a value for AB, that is x plus 20 by root 3. Here one more value we got it as x root 3. So we will equate both. Equating values of AB. Values of AB. So we will get x root 3 is equal to x plus 20 by root 3. So when we simplify this, we will get the value for x. So 3x is equal to x plus 20. So 3x minus x is equal to 20. 3x minus x is equal to 20. That is 2x is equal to 20. So x value, we got it as 10 meter. So x is nothing but the width of the canal. X is nothing but the width of the canal. X is equal to 10 meter we got. We need to find the height of the tower also. So AB, here itself we will substitute. AB is equal to x root 3. So x value we got it as 10. So height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. AB is the height of the tower. The height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. So these are the two things we are asked to find, that we got it. So BC is the width of the canal. So width of the canal is 10 meter. So these are the two things we are asked to find, height of the tower and width of the canal. So those two things we found out. Okay, so with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.